Hello world, we have been waiting for this moment over 5 years. I just got the master carton, the black edition WOWCubes, exactly the same that we shipping to the customers. And as a CEO, I use the right to be the first one to open it. This is from our Chinese factory. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes with the most expensive version of the WOWCube. Let's have a look. So, the black edition is the most expensive version of the WOWCube with a full set of accessories, but what is most important, it's covered with Corning Gorilla Glass with very high level oleophobic coating. So all the 24 screens is covered with Gorilla Glass. Let's open it. Alright, I need to move the camera. Okay, here's the black box of black edition, the most exclusive and the most expensive version of the WOWCube. Just to compare, this is the starter pack, the package of the starter pack. Let's open it. The nice sleeve and FCC, CE, everything certified, of course. So what we have here, first I see the pack of accessories. Here is the metal bracelets. This accessory made by the third party. It's our friends from the Metal Time Incorporated. It's like the small metal bracelets that you put on each, that you stick on each corner to prevent the WOWCube from the scratch. And also it have, let's open it. Bracelets. And it also have screen protectors, 25 pieces, 24 for each screen and 1 as a spare, I believe. The cloth, perfect. And even the manual, user's guide. Nice. Nice. Okay, next. What's next? Oh, this is the travel case. But what is cool about this travel case? This is exclusive black travel case that goes only with the black edition. Nice packaging with a small window. Alright. Nice black travel case. Wonderful. What's inside? We have the extra charger dock station, in-wall adapter, those prongs for the United States, and here is the adapter for Japan or Europe. Looks like this. And again, as an accessory, you have this silicone bracelets. That was made by our company. It's like this. I have the colorful version. And this is the silicone bracelets. You stick them on the corners of each corner of the cube to have something like this. You can still play with it, but it's prevent cube from scratch and from fall. Okay, so in this black box we have 10 exclusive black bracelets for the WOWCube. And a tiny little package, tiny little box with a screen. How cool is that? Alrighty. Now we have the USB-C wire. Fine. Okay, the most important and precious thing here is the WOWCube itself, of course. Nice black box. Okay, let's compare again with the starter pack. This is the starter pack. This is exclusive black box of the WOWCube system. All right, the first ever unpacking of the envelope, where you can find the gift card, the user's manual, also in black color, and this is FCC for again, that's for certification, and small microfiber with the WOWCube logos on it. Okay, now the cube. Let's take it out of the box. Looks gorgeous, actually. I like it. I mean, and you see this little tiny cat waving to you. This is plate used for transportation. So to prevent battery to be run out, we use this small little plate. You need to take it away, then you first receive your WOWCube. But this plate is very important, so keep it. It helps you to reset the cube, to make the complete reset if something goes wrong. All right, then the first time starts the WOWCube. It shows you the first step app, and it asks you to pass this tutorial. I won't do it right now. It's just the unboxing. It's not the demonstration of how it works. So let's put this plate back inside the cube and turn it off. And again, this is how you can completely reset the cube if something goes wrong. So keep this small plate, don't throw it away. What else we have here in the packaging? So the original charger dock station. So you have two of them. One for your office and one for your home. One for living room, one for bedroom. Your choice. And the set of, let's see, the set of small boxes with extra accessories. Let's open them one by one. All right, this is the spare central ball. Because the cube is 8 autonomous computers, they hold together not only by magnets but also by the central ball. Why we put the spare here? Because if you drop the cube, the central ball designed to take the first hit for itself, and it may be broken. So you need to change it. It's very simple. So you can change it yourself. You'll just stick the WOWCube, the corners like this. That's not a big deal. Okay, the spare ball. Next, adapter. Next, the USB-C. Next, the in-wall charger. So you basically have two sets of charger, dock station plus charger plus USB-C. And you will also have this tiny screwdriver in case you want to loosen your WOWCube to change the force where you need to apply to twisted. It's twisted by 4 in a layer. So you can put the screwdriver in here and tighten it or loosen it. So it will be easier or more difficult to twist it, to add you more comfort. So let's put it back. That's awesome. The oleophobic coating is awesome. I literally don't see any fingerprint. That's absolutely cool. All right.